Are you still using old-fashioned welding machine that is inconvenient and bulky to carry? Today, 3000w recommends a world-first fully intelligent, handheld household 220-voltage electric welding machine. It has a smart digital display that allows you to learn how to operate in 5 seconds. Rotate the red button to freely adjust the current size. The maximum current can be adjusted to 140 ampere. High-quality pure copper clamp can make the welding rod connection more stable, and the switch can adjust the tightness of the welding rod. The powerful heat dissipation air intake system can increase the load rate of the welder and make the welder work more durable. Now, I'll make a test for you. Connect the 3 parts and you can start to use.
This welding machine is very easy to arc, and the welding effect is super beautiful and smooth, and it's guaranteed not to stick to the body. At the same time, the spark ballast is also very small, which can effectively ensure the safety of the user.
Such an electric welding machine with a small body that does not take up space, even a lady can easily use it. Don't you hurry up and work with it.